Hi, my name is Adam LZ, and behind me is my Mustang RTR Spec 5 FD. This year we've got the S650 with a brand new livery. I took a pretty big change from the fade over to this dark blue. I really like it because it's got that kind of pro factory race car look. It's sleek and it kind of complements, in my mind, one of the coolest cars that Ford just launched, the new Dark Horse. The car makes 1,200 horsepower, 800 of that is all motor and the other 400 comes from nitrous. The car, for all intents and purposes, is almost identical to last year in the way that it delivers power and the way that it handles, but the team has made a few changes to try to give us a little bit of a competitive edge, and I'm excited to see how they do this year. There's a lot of custom parts on these cars. The suspension that we run in the front and the rear has a lot of stuff that the team developed in-house, and we run BC coilovers on all 4 corners. Our tires this year are the same that we ran last year. We have an NTO 5 in the front, and we have a 315 Nitto NT555 G2 in the rear. Tons of grip, super competitive, and you might have noticed our new aero discs in the rear of the car. A lot of people think there's some secret science behind it. It's just for looks, and I think they look pretty cool. We got a 4-person team this year between Chelsea, James, Vaughn, myself. It's gonna be a real exciting season, and you're not gonna wanna miss any of it.